Here we are in the corn crib. Bob Downs and I have been building blocks and finishing blocks for the last couple months. There's about 120 or so blocks in the rig of the Maryland Dove. They range from a fairly standard single block of various sizes to some pretty unusual, very early 17th century specific blocks, such as this topsail, or actually a lower lift block. And then we have, this is pretty interesting. This is a lift and topsail sheet block in one. What you see here is this is how we're actually finishing these blocks. It looks very strange, but it's really just the most economical and I think effective way of getting this first coat of the product that we're using, which is Dexolier, on these blocks. If we didn't do this, which as you can see is a vacuum bagged sort of system, we would have a tub of this Dexolier and we would just soak them in a tub of Dexolier for some period of time. If you look down, all of these blocks are getting coated with this first step. This product is varnish substitute, which is applied in 2 steps and should be perfect for this application of treating these solid wood blocks. These are all Osage blocks you see here, ash behind me. So we're at the tail end here of this process of building blocks. As you can see, we're coating them. Most of these are totally finished. A few of them need a last sanding. So you can see there are some that are a little darker here, which still need a little bit of some sanding. But for the most part, we're tying up loose ends, finishing blocks, and working on the last finishing touches of some of these dead eyes as well. These all just require a little bit of sanding to get some of the preliminary cuts out of this material still, just to fair everything in, smooth all the hard edges.